So Putnam Plastics is a medical device manufacturer, OEM, specializing in complex extrusion and catheter assembly. The type of products we typically make are minimally invasive devices ranging from neuro catheters to cardio, all the way throughout the body. The general extrusion process starts with plastic pellets, and then when they're ready to be extruded or molded or whatever we may be doing, they will go out to the line, get in a hopper dryer to properly dry the material, extrude the material, and then create a tube. It's very high-end, white, clean, all the latest and greatest technology. That's kind of the reason we expanded here. We're still looking for future expansion as the business continues to grow.
As you guys can see, this isn't your grandfather's manufacturing anymore. We invest in safety. Safety of our people here is of the utmost importance. One of the perks about working at Putnam is its focus on health and wellness, not only with the cleanliness of the work environment, but we have a 6,000 square foot gymnasium here. Also, our cafeteria and break room is kind of Google-esque, if you will. It's really kind of a progressive company in terms of that, and it's a great place to work.